Then we have the AFCAP, TEXCAPs, and in recent trial we also had the ASCOT. ASCOT had actually 3 arms. It had the lipid arm, it had the BP arm, and it had the glycemic arm. So ASCOT trial was a mega trial, and ASCOT lipid arm was definitely there, which tried atorvastatin. So we have all these trials, and also the heart protection study. So all these trials have uniformly proved that for secondary prevention, statins are highly effective. For primary prevention also, they are uniformly effective, although the margin of benefit is not as much as it is seen in secondary prevention trials. So the question that is often asked is that how long should we take statins? Okay, and the answer is probably lifelong, because if you are having benefits and you want the benefits to continue lifelong, then probably you should continue with statins lifelong. And we have the ASCOT trial, which has shown that if given for continuous 11 years, there is a definite mortality benefit. And what is very striking is that the mortality benefit is not only in terms of all-cause mortality or cardiovascular mortality. Very importantly, there is also reduction of non-cardiovascular mortality. And the exact mechanism of this reduction of non-cardiovascular mortality is not known, but definitely you can see that there are divergent arms, and then as the years go by and the divergence progresses, and so there is progressive benefit. And cancer mortality, another concern expressed often with regard to long-term statin therapy, is whether it increases the incidence of cancer. But this ASCOT trial has again negated that long-term statin therapy is not associated with increased incidence of cancer. So if you give statins long-term, there is benefit in terms of cardiovascular mortality, total mortality, and it also improves non-cardiovascular mortality without any increase in cancer incidence. This is another long-term trial result that has shown that statins are safe, and if you continue with it, death from any cause and death from cardiovascular causes, the benefit continues. This was with pravastatin, and here you can see that at the end of 16 years, you still continue to accrue more and more benefit.